What use is an F-call? In real estate, there are three things you need for success. Location, location, location. In amateur radio, you need three things as well. Antenna, antenna, antenna. Many of us live in suburbia where erecting a suitable antenna is fraught with challenge. There's not enough space, or too much local interference, or neighbours with a concern, or a council with rules that prevent proper installation. During the week, I received a call from an amateur in VK5 who shared their experience. A neighbour had complained about their antenna and the council had written a letter instructing him to remove the antenna since it did not have approval. A little wrinkle was also part of this letter. It went on to say that if you're an amateur, you do not need to remove your antenna. So our friend contacted the local council, furnished them with his callsign and registration details, and all was well in his world. Another amateur I know recently removed his antenna on instruction from the council, without challenging their instruction. Other amateurs around him suggested that he reinstate the antenna and go through the process of discussing the issue with the local council. One wag suggested he expand his single vertical to a real tower, add some 20-metre yagis and wait for heart attacks. Far be it from me to suggest that this is the best plan for success. The point I'd like to make is that an enlightened council can permit your antenna, and an unenlightened one can prohibit it. Your job, should you wish to accept, is to convert your council to becoming enlightened. You could do this by staging a sit-in, or you could meet with the mayor, some councillors, or invite them to a field day in your area. You could educate your neighbours, allay their fears and discuss alternative solutions with them. Many people I've spoken to do not understand that amateur radio exists, has a place in society and can be called upon to help in case of emergency, let alone be a social experience or a fantastic hobby. Who knows, your council might even sponsor the erection of your mast. I'm Ono, Victor Kilo 6 Foxtrot Lima Alpha Bravo.